This summer was a very busy summer for us. Obviously, we had well over $8 million worth of summer projects underway. Everything stemming from roofing, asphalt, painting, floor coverings. We ran the gamut when it came to the number of projects we did.
Big projects that we had this summer was the roofing over at Hughes. We had 4 buildings. We tore off the roof, and the activity center, we did a complete restoration of that roof. Over at Ladera, we got a full paint of the exterior, which came out really nice. And then we also had Red Hill, which also came out very nice. And that was a complete exterior paint at Red Hill as well.
And our projects are all the replacement of flooring, carpeting throughout the school district. This year we had about 4 schools that we did, but the major ones were Middle School and Ladera Elementary. We also were involved in the roofing part and the painting part and the asphalt and a little bit of the playground with Mike.
Being on a campus that is, well maintained and stuff like that, it builds the inviting nature of how a campus looks and can play a role on the experience for students to come to school.
It creates a better environment for the kids because they see new floorings. They went out and the carpet was old and the floor was old, and then come back and it looks brand new. So I think it does motivate kids and staff to do better now that they see a little bit of improvement at their schools.
Our guys are very receptive to learning. Therefore, what they do is they collaborate with each other. They share ideas. They obviously solicit feedback. And what that does is basically then they go and apply that out in the field, working with contractors, looking for better ways to do our job and accomplish our goal, which is to get these projects done over the summer.
We have great upper leadership on our team, which opens up the door to new things and for us to learn.
We've always had that growth mindset because again, we want to get better. We want to be a responsive unit, a responsive department. And that said, it goes to us being out in the field, us getting work orders done, and just being a support to everybody who needs our assistance.
We're fortunate here, not only in grounds, but in maintenance, the wealth of knowledge that we have. We kind of just, build and learn off of one another's experiences, and just to kind of try to make the district better than, it was yesterday.